y'all. So it's the beginning of spring. We're about 10 days in and everything is waking up and looking really beautiful. All the flowers, the salvias, they're all just starting to get their legs, wake up. The butterfly bushes, and especially the strawberries. They seem to be really, really happy with life and they're putting on some growth. But along with that comes all the little critters, the squirrels and the birds. And if you have a dog or a cat, they might also enjoy getting into your garden and laying on it. And one of the solutions to prevent them from being destroyed is a cloche. So this is actually a trash basket from the 99-cent store. It was $1.25. And then I have a knob from Hobby Lobby and it was $2. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make my own cloche. So you can actually buy these already made and they're very beautiful and convenient and easy. You can have it delivered straight to your door. But if you have several plants and different things that you're trying to protect to keep the animals off of, this is a really easy and convenient way that is also very affordable to have it done, and it's not so precious because it is cheaper to do it this way. So what we're going to do is, this is a black basket. It matches the pea trellis I have in the back, so this is going to be the accent color for my garden, but you can spray paint yours whatever color you want. And then I have the knob. I'm just going to place it on the top. And then there's two pieces here, the larger round piece and the smaller round piece. And we're gonna put the larger one here that has a bigger width first. And that's just gonna prevent the knob from being completely pulled out whenever you pull the top. So we're gonna screw it all the way on. And it just looks, you don't have to have a knob. You could do, ribbon, you could do twine, you could not have anything at all on the top. I like the top because I think it makes it look more finished and complete and just a little nicer. So they had some really fun tops that you could get, like knobs that were like bumblebees and terracotta tops or aqua tops. They had lots of beautiful different options, so you can make it however you want. I just wanted to keep mine really simple so that the plants can shine and not the cloche. So these are very easy. The last thing you're going to want to do is have your staple, a garden staple, and what that does is it's going to keep this down and secure. So even if someone comes over and you have a squirrel that tries to bop it over, it won't fall over. Or if the wind comes up, it won't just blow away and be kind of useless. So here we go. I actually have several of these already up, so you can have a look. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on this side, and these are in the ground. You can see the beautiful strawberries in there already coming up. So all you do, let's take it apart so I can show you. You're simply going to place the cloche down and then put this garden staple on the bottom. I didn't have quite enough to do 2, but 2 would be more ideal than 1. It's very easy. You just push it into the ground, and then if you want to water, if you want to check on it, it's really easy if you just have 1, because you could flip it over like that and squirrels cannot get in there. Now I do have 2 pots that are planted up with both rosemary and strawberries, and they are looking very happy, looking very beautiful, but because they are in pots, they're not going to get quite as big and be quite as productive, but they're still going to be really, really happy and beautiful in their space. So if you have a smaller space, or if you just want to do extra strawberries like I did, then that's a really fun option. So I can show you those. This is one. Needs a little water, but you can see his little buddy, the rosemary, and then we've got the strawberry. There's one little guy coming in, and these are really fun because they have the little flowers on them, so they look beautiful even when they're not strawberries on them. Here's the other one. I did 2 strawberry plants in this one, and then some rosemary. But I also have cloches on my beautiful sunflowers. They're not coming up. I have them in the center of my pea trellis over here. And what's fun about that is that they're going to be supported by the trellis when they come up so they don't get knocked over by the wind. And then I will take the cloches off of the sunflowers whenever they get more strong and sturdy. So they are very quick growing, so they won't be on there for very long. But if I were not to cover them with the cloche, then squirrels would come in and birds would come in. They just seem to know. I feel like they're just watching me from the trees as soon as I throw some seeds into the ground. They're all over here pecking at it, trying to get it picked up. And if they make it and they turn into little bitty plants, the birds will literally come over and just pull them out, or the squirrels will come over and dig at the root system, because I don't know why they do that, but they seem to love my plants. So those just keep them protected so they can get their roots in really strong, and it deters them more. So that's really nice, so we can enjoy them. And then I can either leave them in the garden to enjoy or cut them and bring in cut flowers for my table. So cloches have many good options. You could also have a plant inside and put your cloche on it if you happen to have a cat that likes to go over and chew on your leaves, or chew on, if you were growing strawberries, if they wanted to chew on the strawberries, it would help prevent that from happening. And you can get a bigger basket and put a knob on it, or whatever works for your space. There's also other options that are really beautiful and lovely that you just really want it to be covered and still get sunshine and be able to enjoy the beauty of the plant without compromising the safety of it from all the critters around. So, all right, good gardening. Bye. Squirrel is trying to get in to the cloches to get the strawberries, but he can't get in because they're staked down. So he's digging around them instead of eating the strawberries. He's given up. Oh, now he's found the pot where the strawberries are not covered. I'm gonna have to cover those.